Hi guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Sidra Bank account. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Firstly, open your default browser and search Sidra Bank login. Once you make search, you'll find Sidra Bank on top of your search list. Just click here and click on login with KYC port. Now, as you can see, you're already redirected to the login portal. You just simply have to enter your credentials, that includes your email and your password. In case you forgot your password, you can click here and you can also log in with your email. Just enter the credentials and simply log in. That's it for today guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give thumbs up. Comments and feedbacks will be appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a great time and thank you for watching.